Have you been thinking of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it's possible because you are broke or because you don't have money in your pocket? Hello, in today's video, I will share with you how you can travel to Maldives for free. You can actually travel to the Maldives for free. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And let's get right into today's business. So come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, the Maldivian government has officially launched the applications for the 2025 Maldives National University Scholarship for home and international students like you. Guys, the Maldives Government University Scholarship offers a fully funded opportunity that covers the full cost of your tuition, your book. Yes, so they give you book allowance, research support, and a living stipend of $3,900. Now, this scholarship eligibility Now, guys, in today's video, I'm going to share with you the scholarship eligibility requirements, the benefits, and how to apply for this scholarship. Make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end and share this video with your friends. So, guys, Maldives National University Scholarship is now open, and the host country is Maldives, and you can actually study abroad in Asia. The category is postgraduate. Yeah, so if you already have your first degree or your OND or HND, you can proceed to study for a master's or your PhD, and all countries are eligible to apply. You also get up to $4,220 living stipend. Yes, as well as research costs, book allowance. No IELTS is required, but like I said earlier, it is closing soon. So guys, the Maldives National University MNU has opened applications for its fully funded 2025 scholarships, and they are inviting both Maldivian and international students like you to apply for programs that are offered in its capital city, Mali. Now, the Maldives government scholarship, it covers full-time postgraduate programs, including postgraduate diplomas, advanced diplomas, and master's degree, all delivered at the university's main campus. This initiative is in line with national development priorities, targeting students who not only meet academic qualifications but also demonstrate leadership and commitment to equity. Eligibility requirements for this opportunity are as follows. Now, to be considered for the Maldives National University Scholarship, the first thing you need to do is this: you must meet the following requirements. Number one, a minimum of 5 O-level SSC passes and A-level HSC passes of their equivalent, any of the two. You also need a recognized undergraduate degree. For people that are applying to master's program, you need a proven academic excellence and leadership potential. Now, no record of defaulting on previous Maldivian government scholarships. This program is open to Maldivian students enrolled at MNU, as well as international students like you who have received an offer letter for a full-time postgraduate program at the university. And here are some of the benefits of the Maldives Government Scholarship 2025. Number one, each selected student will receive a comprehensive financial package, which includes 100% tuition fee waiver, monthly allowance of $5,000, book allowance of $5,000, research support grant of $5,000 during the final semester. Students from economically disadvantaged or underrepresented groups are also encouraged to apply. And here are the required documents. Now, for Maldives National University Scholarship, for you to apply, candidates must be ready to submit the following documents. Number one, application form. Yes, official scholarship agreement form, your transcript, your ID card or passport, and income proof if applicable. 2 500-word essays, 1 personal statement, and 1 justification for selection. Here are some of the information that people will not tell you. When you're applying for scholarships, if you know you want to travel abroad, but like I always say in all my videos, you want to travel abroad but you don't have the funds because you don't think it's possible because you're broke, because you don't have the funds, I tell you today it is very possible. All you need to have is that positive heart. There are some people who come here with negativity and I throw them out of my channel. Don't come here and leave negative comments. If you've given up on yourself, that's okay, but do not come and discourage my own audience from reaching their potentials, from reaching their goals in life, from pursuing their dreams. No dream is too big. I tell you, you can afford to dream big. All you need to do is work hard towards making it a reality. So first thing you need to do is to determine what course you want to study. What do you want to study? What did you study before? Or if you're a new student looking for an undergraduate, scholarship, that's okay as well. I share all of that on my channel. Whether you're looking for undergraduate scholarships, postgraduate scholarships, whether master's or PhD, I have got you guys covered. So once you determine or you decide what you want to study, then start to look for schools. Now, not just schools, be very careful. Now, I'm talking about Western countries. There are private universities and there are public universities. So please know the difference between the two. For private universities, the tuition fees are always like higher, way higher than public universities. And a lot of public universities also offer full tuition, they offer scholarships. So make sure that you check out all of the available scholarships so that you don't end up paying through your nose. Yes, I talked about, living costs, living expenses, insurance. Here, when you're traveling abroad, most especially United States, Canada, UK, and the rest of them, please make sure that you have insurance. Some people would say, oh, but I didn't have insurance where I was coming from. This is a new country. If you get sick or something happens to you, I don't want you to die because you are here to study. You're here for a better life, for greener pastures. And while you are coming here to look for greener pastures, may you not find something that will eat you along the way. So make sure that you have insurance at every time. See, it could be something as little that you trivialize as little as toothache kills. Yes, it can kill. So you need insurance so that you can reach out, you can see a doctor anytime you are sick. Please don't take it for granted. Don't come here and say, oh, Jesus has covered it, Jesus will do it. No, you have to have insurance, health insurance, and God will take care of you. But make sure that you have all the right things in place. A lot of people have never lived in the Western world or have never left the shores of their own country. They don't know how these things work. And that is why I am here to share with you, to show you so that you don't have to, you will not regret certain steps that you did not take because you did not have anyone to tell you. And yes, I'm open to consultation for you guys. If you would like to book a one-on-one consultation with me, please find the link. Join my Patreon community. You have to join my Patreon community or my channel membership. So use the join button, click on the join button to join my channel membership. Then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me, or you can join my Patreon community and then you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. And guys, if you book a consultation and you're not a member of my channel or a Patreon member, I will not honor it. I have to cancel. Regretfully or regrettably, I will have to cancel, have to deny that meeting because I use it to actually filter out people who are serious. There are lots of people that come to watch videos but they don't take a step. I don't want you to waste my time and your time, to go ahead and book a one-on-one. Join my Patreon community and then we can take it from there. If you have any question for me, I am here for you guys. I'm here to serve you. Go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Guys already know by now I'm working hard for you guys day and night. So yes, feel free to express yourself. There are no stupid questions here. Ask me your questions. I'm here to support you. And yes, it is always advisable to plan ahead of time. Start your applications early. Make sure that you fill all the forms, get all the supporting documents, your transcript. Start requesting for transcript. If you don't have it yet, request for your transcript. And then if possible, for those of you that work with faith or someone like me, you can begin your evaluation with WES. If you want to study here in the United States or Canada, I think it's applicable to Canada as well, but I'm not 100% sure of that. But here in the United States, World Education Services would evaluate your transcript. So you can send it from your school to WES. So WES can help you transfer the transcript, your university degree, your transcript to the universities that you're applying to here in the United States. And I hope that is clear. If that is not clear enough, you can ask me in the comments or you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. I also have a 1-hour consultation if you're interested in that. I will put the form in the comments as well as in the description as well. So guys, in case no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you're amazing and I am so proud of you. Take care of yourselves and make sure that you like this video, share this video. Have you introduced yourselves yet? Oh my goodness, I'm not sure. Okay guys, if you have not introduced yourselves yet, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'm sorry, that's the ritual on this channel. I really want to know you and I want to meet you. How did you find my video? Who sent it to you? Let me know in the comments. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you. Like, I love you guys. God bless you real good. And to all of you that are seeing me for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also catch me live on YouTube. No, not on this channel. So basically, that is all I want to reveal as at today. All right, I'll see you in my next video. And in case anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't hear them anymore. Take care and bye for now. Love you.